Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Nooka Space application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the last icon down below and then tap on the notifications button in order to turn on notifications. But first you need to allow the application to access notifications, so tap on the third icon and then allow notifications by clicking on this button. So now if you go back, you will be able to see that this function has been updated. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.